You did not come yet by accident. God has seen your tears, He heard your heart. Call to me, I will answer you, and tell you great e unsearchable things you do not know. Jeremiah 33:3. Even when the world feels heavy, cast all your anxiety on Him because He cares for you. Peter 5:7. Today, take a deep breath. Believe that a path is being opened before you. For I know the plans I have for you, plans to give you hope in a future. Jeremiah 2:9-11. Let this word fill your heart with peace and renew your trust right now. And remember, those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. Hosea 4:31. His presence surrounds you, His hand upholds you, and His love will never fail you. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. Joshua 1:9. Walk forward today with faith, knowing that nothing can separate you from His perfect love.